Welcome to the second part of the ArrayList API or class tutorial. In the first part, we've created a list of or array list of an object of type person. So we created the first one. In order to create a new one, so you add to it. So it's empty at the moment in here. Then we added an object. Person's called Samira, 18 years old, and that's his contact number. Then we added another one, that's an empty, and then we add third one, which is Muhammad Ali, 21 years old, and that's his contact number. Now, if you look, we use this one, a new person, and it's using default. Look at this one. This is the default, and all these are private. Of course, we're not going to talk about this here. We're going to talk only about the name, the age, and contact number, which are the part here. They are private, so of course we have to use set and get. So in here, how do I use that one? First of all, this is an array. So if you look in the array, this is array 0. First one, this is array 1, and of course this is array 2, the third one here. So look at this second one here, which is array list add this one. So the index for this one is 1. So how would I populate this one in here? I can say list, look at that one. Then you say get. When you say get, look at it here. It needs the index number. So I can say get 1, which is, this is the first one is 0, this is the second one is 1, and the third one is 2. Here it is. So this is the second one. Click this one, and of course that is going to give us the access to the person methods in here. So I can say set, for instance, here it is, set name. Can you see it? Yeah, here it is, and put name in here. And if I have, for instance, I could say Maryam. There it is. The full name, Maryam. Maryam Akram. There it is. Can you see that? First, list, that's your array. Then here, list dot get. Get give you the which objects in here. So of course we know this is the second one, which is start with 0. So this is 1. So when I say get 1, it gives me this object in here. And when I say set name, it set for this one in here. Again, if I want to set the age for this lady, Maryam, I say list. Remember, if I want to do access methods for the class for this object, so I know this is, here it is, get, says give me the index number 1, here it is, and then when I do this, I can access the class set. It is age first one, and of course I'm going to say 20, or make it 19 because this is an integer. Again, if I want to get the contact number, remember list get, that is, which one is 1 dot set contact number. You see it? Double click, give it this one, and of course the contact number, you can see it sees it needs a string. So if it needs string, double quote here, plus 971 52 09999 09. Alright, something like that. the 9. Here it is. So remember this, we've got 3 in here, 3 objects in the array. These are 3 objects. However, the indexes, this is 0, 1, and 2. So we need to populate the second one, which is 0, 1, which is 1. Here it is. So I have to make sure list get me this object, because that's what it means. Get this object and then access it. Right now, I hope this clear this one for us. For instance, if I want to change the name in here, for instance, set. So I can say list, put that one. Make sure always get the index. There it is, the index. So this one, of course, this is number 2. That's 2. And if I say set, and it is set, and here set a name, for instance, and I'm going to change Ali from I to Y, for instance. I would call it, what it is, Muhammad, sorry, Ali, like that, for instance. Here it is. Right, I'm gonna stop this part in here and just recap again. Remember, we created these ones in here. This is the first part, and the second part I would like to populate the data in here. So I use the set in here. Always, if you want to access this object, always access it via is index. How do I get the index for that one? It's list, the name, get, then the index number. Soon I say that, it means this one. And when I say set name, for instance, I'm accessing the method for this object. If I say list get 2, for instance, this is 0, 1, 2, the second one, and here, and of course I say set name. Here it is. So I'm accessing the third one. I'll stop here as the second part of the tutorial. Then I'll finish off the program in the next part.